Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to discuss all in the rank 1 UPSC 2024 Shakti Dubey's answer copy. So let's go into the question which has been asked here. So this question is pertaining to the ethics case study component. And we know very well this GS paper 4 in our ethics syllabus, especially in section B in mains examination, we will be asked a case study to write, and with respect to case study, this is going to be one of the easily rewarding marks in our answer writing. So regarding this particular case study based approach, what this topper has addressed, especially all in the rank 1 Shakti Dubey, what is a unique answer writing style and technique we can learn from today's video. Let me give you a brief introduction about the question which has been asked here. In this particular question, there is a situation where you have been imagined to assume the post of Vice Chairman of the Railways Development Authority, where a vacant land you need to give approval. Their conflict of interest is coming, that whether if you give approval or not. In that situation, what is the problem is that particular land area is coming under natural urban forest also. Additionally, Minister is pressuring you to give clearance for the project. So this is a situation which has been listed briefly in this particular question, and they are asking us some sub questions about this particular question. That is, what are the ethical dilemmas faced by you? That is the first component in the question. Second component, under the situation, what are the options available? Then they are asking us to evaluate the option, and the fourth main thing, they are asking us to choose and why, what is the reason behind it. It's a 20 marker question and will be given a maximum page. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. This is the maximum page which will be given to write our case study answer. And in these 4 pages, we need to do the space management, time management also effectively. And this all in the rank 1 Shakti Dubey's overall answer writing style, if you look at it, she has tried to address the answer with an introduction in a crisp manner. Followed by that, there is a stakeholding approach. So who are the people who are involved in it? As I said, the environmental think tank, ministers, railway board, environmental activist, and that person you are a vice chairman of Railway Development Authority, and various environmental related groups and activists also. And the first question, she is trying to talk about the ethical dilemma, as I said. So in the ethical dilemma, she is trying to present her answer in a point-wise approach. So this also we need to learn. Whenever we are writing case study answer, we can present our answers in a point-based approach, and she is trying to underline the keywords of the point-based answers. Not only that, while addressing the second component, what are the various options available, she is trying to list 3 main options. That is, 1, accepting the orders of minister. Second one, rejecting the orders of the minister. Third thing, she is trying to give a balancing situation where she will talk with both the people, that is environmental group as well as the minister, and try to come out with a balancing solution. That's what she has taken in this particular situation. Okay. And then they are asking us to evaluate each of the options, and this topper has also done. Specifying each of the options, she has written what is the merit and demerit. And what is one important learning while writing the merit and demerit is you should try to incorporate or write the values why you are taking the decision. If you look at this particular topper, all in the rank 1 Shakti Dubey, why she will accept the orders of the Union Ministry is, what is the biggest negative mark there? Because it will violate neutrality. It will be favoring the minister and non-partisanship principle, and even the principle of public service, and it will promote environmental degradation. These all are important values or keywords which we need to highlight in our ethics case study answer as well. It is not the decision which you are going to take in your ethics case study matters more, but why you are taking the decision and what value you are taking the decision, that you need to highlight and convey to the examiner in a clear point-wise manner. Then only they will be convinced to award you maximum marks for your ethics case study answer. So if you look at the overall, the option 3, which this particular topper has done, so she has tried to convince both the groups, and she has tried to address the answer in a schematic approach also. Not only schematic diagram, she has also used the diagram also in her answer. In the conclusion, she is telling she will take a central decision by convincing environmental sustainability, development, and empowering the people also. So the conclusion is also written in a beautiful manner in a diagrammatic approach, and the decision making, she is taking a balanced approach decision making in her answer. This is very, very important for a bureaucratic if you want to become a bureaucrat in future, you should take this balanced approach. So overall, without offending anyone, she has taken the answer. That is, she has taken the option in a beautiful manner by convincing most of the people. And if you look at her mark sheet in GS paper 4 in ethics as well, she got one of the highest marks out of 250, 141 marks. And what are the important things to be noted from today's answer writing technique of all in the rank 1? Shakti Dubey in ethics case studies. For case study, we need to write introduction by briefing in 2 to 3 lines. What is the issue here listed in this particular question? Then we need to include the stakeholder approach in a schematic diagram based approach. Then we need to list what are the various ethical issues or dilemmas and what options are available, and what are the merits and demerits of the option, and what action we will take, and why we are taking that. We have to justify with proper values, and wherever possible we can include schematic diagrams, and we can also come out with innovative creative diagram like this topper has done for this particular ethics case study. So if you are going to write ethics case study answer, try to incorporate this kind of structure in your answer writing, as well as try to stand why you are taking that particular value, and try to convey that to the examiner in a clear manner, in a point-based approach. I hope this video is going to add more value to your answer writing in ethics case study. If you still have any further doubts on writing ethics case study answers, you can join our Telegram group and you can contact us for further any doubts on this. Thank you, students.